everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Yaya. That's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back.
Love you.
Y'all, we're at Marshall's. I know I said I was not going to bring the girls with me to Marshall's again, but guess what? Here we are because I spent my morning at the DMV unproductive because I did not get my license renewed. And I was supposed to come to Marshall's today, so we're still doing that because we are trying to stay on track. I love you. You like my new glasses?
Yeah.
Thank you. They're purple. Y'all, let's go. Okay, we have this Revolution palette for $10. You're going to get those shades. Y'all, I forgot to put the rubber bands in Coco 2 ponytails this morning. We have this Morphe Up Till Dawn 35A palette. Oh, clearance for $6. I did forget your water. I'm sorry. We have 3503 Fierce by Nature. $20. We have a peach palette here. It's empty. $25. Someone probably stole it, so that's a little irritating, but I did love this palette. I still have it. Yaya is showing me this. It doesn't have the case to it, but they do have the glam lights here. $25 for this Naked palette. I think this is the newest Naked palette that's come out. We have this from Clinique. It's not in a case. I think it's a foundation. No, it's a blush. We have a little Clinique blush here. We have a bunch of the Cara palettes here. So we have this one, Easy Cruisin' for $7. Keep on Rolling here is going to be $8. We have a Revolution back here. I think it's a Simpsons. Yep, Simpsons Revolution here. You're going to get those shades for $5. This, which we've been seeing and I've heard great things about, $13. Coco found an e.l.f. one, which we actually have this at home. This is $8 with those shades. We have this at home. We have this from Urban Decay, which we see all the time. I actually don't have this one. $17 for that. What is this Moonlit? It looks, oh, the Creme Shop. This is gonna be, oh, clearance for $4.50. It's probably ruined. Oh, it's not ruined, but is that, I don't know why it looks like that. Is that mold in there? I don't know. But $4.50. We have this from Too Faced. I love these bronzers. $17. This, which we see all the time, for $30. I still haven't bought it, but I want it. We see this one all the time, and I've heard good things about that black there. This is going to be $15. Now, I've never heard of this brand, but it looks pretty cool. This is going to be $7, and you get those shades. I think the brand is Sister or something. Oh, this is new. I haven't seen this magazine one yet from Cara. I had the other three. I might still have them. I don't know. $8 for this, but we got a new magazine here. Another Cara, Lovin' the Ride for $8, and you're gonna get those shades. Oh, y'all, I have loved Emily since she was still like a news anchor, but we have this from her in Revolution.
Have you seen this before?
I have seen that. I don't know the price on this. If I find another one, I'll let you know. We have this from BH in the buff. It's going to be $4. Oh, it's a pretty face palette. $6. Peace and Love. That's nice. Although, you know, they don't want to work with me. We have the Glow palette, which I've heard great things about, for $20. Okay, this is the Sister brand, not the other one. So this is $9 and it's Sister. The other one, I don't know what brand that was. Got this Sephora palette, which I think I've seen like once, and you get those shades. $5 for that. We have this one from BH also, Nude Ego, for $4. That's pretty. I really like that shade. We still have this, which we've seen forever, for $20. This looks like a perfect travel palette for me because I could do anything with it. $8 for that. Smashbox palette here. I think we got this in a BoxyCharm or something. $15. Okay, so we've got foundations. We've got the Urban Decay here for $15. A few different shades, darker and lighter. We've got the KVD here for $13. We've got some MAC here. I need to get some new MAC foundation. $15. What is this? A MAC Studio Fix Primer, Shine Control. $17 for this. Oh, y'all, look what Mama found. The freaking mother load. $34. Yeah, you can say mother load. Put it back. You don't want to drop it. I want to look this up and see what it looks like. $34. Do I need this? We're going to look it up to find the colors, the shades. Look what Coco just found. Another thing. She just found another thing. $16. We can't open them to look because they're sealed. Although someone keeps yelling at me. Not yelling, but saying like, you're so disgusting. I can't believe you're still opening it. I'm like, lady, stop watching. Then we have these from Cocoa Pebbles for $4. And we have two shades. You see the little hands going. Yes, her name is Coco. We have this from Vice in a nude shade. It's called Runyon. I have no clue, but it's $6. Disney lipsticks we've got in this shade here for $4. And then we also have this shade. Another Vice lipstick in Secret Menu. Mad Love. Oh, Revolution. That's a pretty shade there for $4. Oh, look at this. We got some Kevin Aqua coming back. You got this little trio set here. $24. I wouldn't pay $24 for it though. Oh, we've got this Morphe mattifying setting mist. It's gonna be $10. And then we have something back here that has a tag on it. Oh, Stila, this was overpriced for sure. It's a little dual for $17. This is cute. It's a little hand therapy quad set for $10. She found another Pat McGrath for $14. Oh, I cannot believe someone did that. That beyond infuriates me. Yaya found a little infinity compact from Impressions for $10. Let's see what else we have in here. Nothing really amazing. Oh, we have this, which someone ripped open the bottom. It's a mascara from Urban Decay for $6. This is pretty. In the Moment for $5. Naked. I like their powder foundations too. $10 for this. We've got some more of the bronzers in darker shades. Got some MAC back. Someone freaking stole this, y'all. I am beyond pissed off right now. $15 if it existed.
Somebody stole that?
Sephora Pocket Palette. Oh, you get 6 shades here for $6. They have a few of them. You get 5 lipsticks here from Revolution for $4. This Gwen Stefani we've been seeing, Just a Girl for $8. You have a small Revolution in those shades for $5. This we got in Boxy and Ipsy, repeat, $7. You can buy it here now if you want. We have NARS. It feels like it's actually in there, thank God. That was a pretty one. I remember seeing it before, $17. Y'all, the girls are being pretty good. I don't want to jinx it though, right? Are you being nice? Yeah, I got a black eye. She ran into the door.
It hurts.
It hurts. You gotta be cautious.
Sorry. Every day you said be cautious.
Every day I say be cautious. Then $8, we have these from Matte. We also have this set for $6, and you get 4 Wet n Wild palettes. Okay, we also have this from Too Faced. It's a mascara for $8. We have this from Benefit. I do love their brow products. $10 for that. We have the Cookies and Cream from e.l.f. It's unfortunately broken for $4. We have this here, an Ultra Slim Brow Pencil for $9. Someone ripped off the top, so I don't know the shade. We have Toque and Play from Stila. It's a waterproof liquid eyeliner for $15. Let's see what we have for clearance. We have this from Kapari for $9. It's a deodorant duo. That's not really exciting. Let's see over here. We have some stuff from the Creme Shop. It's a lip stain for 12 hours, $6. It's not on clearance, but it's with the clearance stuff. Juicy Couture on clearance for $24. That's nice. I always love their scents. Oh, we have these from Shiseido and $6.99. You know what? I might get these because I think they're really comparable to Chanel or Christian Dior. Oh, they're on sale for $6. I'm probably going to pick these up. When the makeup's on clearance, I just assume it's broken. $5. Oh, it's not, but I've seen this before because I remember someone swatched it and I was pissed off.
Nail polish for my birthday. I should. But somebody needs.
Yaya thinks she should get nail polish for her birthday.
Somebody needs to do my nails. I know, Mama.
Okay, that was our trip to Marshall's. I'd say they had some pretty good stuff. I was going to get those cotton swabs, and then I'm like, dude, I can just use my hands, which I've been doing for, I don't know, years, on and off, and they work fine. Hey, slow down, please. Come by Mama. Not only do they work fine, but they're free, okay? My hands are free. My mom made them, and I can use them whenever I want for free. So I put them back. Because why spend $12 if you don't have to spend $12? It's not that we're on a no buy, but we're on a like, let's not over consume and create waste. Ready? We're going to the library now. Yeah! So, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, all those good things.
Bye.